Hello po, Miss Lilac. So, kamusta po? Sana okay na okay pa yung abs natin ngayon. Next workouts natin, next exercises natin. Ano po, 2 exercises, last set na to. Last for this day 1, last set of exercises. Tapos, we're gonna be needing a kettlebell. Ito, kettlebell na. For toe taps. And then, timer. Timer po. So, for 1 minute. Yan, pwede na magpahinga in between that, pero yung goal natin is tuloy-tuloy na 1 minute, mabilis. And hindi tutumba yung bell natin. Tama, yung kettlebell. And the other one, prepare tayo ng another dumbbell for side bend. So, pakita natin. So first, dito tayo, timer tayong 1 minute sa kettlebell. So, lagyan natin siya around, yan, 1 step away lang. Okay, tapos jogging motion, start natin yung timer, tapos 1 minute, yan, tatap lang natin siya ng mabilis. Ito para sa cardio natin. So right after this, sana wala tayong rest, or yan, 10 seconds lang yung catch lang ng breath. Tapos habang hinihinga, saka tayo magsuswitch. Okay, so pakita natin, elbows in, tuck in, so tap, tap. Okay po, mabilis. Siyempre gagalaw si Bell. So for 1 minute. Goal natin po dito is, yun nga, para ma-increase natin yung heart rate, para ma-sustain natin yung fat burning natin, zone. Tapos, yan, na hindi tutumba. Okay, so, more or less tutumba siyang gano'n. Kaya ingatan natin. So, 1 minute. Alright. Tapos, out na, di ba? Next, switch tayo, ma'am. Ito tayo, Miss Lilac. So, grip. Hands, inhale. So, pwede natin touch yung obliques. Exhale. Lengthen. Then, pull. So, dito, yung slow and quick natin. Slow, 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 quick. Shoulders back. Alright, waist, bracing your core. Abs tight. Yeah. Inhale. Exhale. So, ito yung active recovery natin from the first exercise. So, 15 per side. Alright? So, yan. 1, 2, 3. Alright? So, 15 repetitions each side of the obliques. Tapos, we're gonna be doing this 4 to 5 sets. Yan. Para after ng workout nyo today, feeling great tayo. Alright?